Okay, Byron B in Canada. This is your TRC451. After many frustrating hours, I figured out all the stuff that you did and undid it. So, got it working again. That's your top end right there. Roll one over, there's your bottom end. Okay, so it goes from there to there. Upper 99 to negative 79. Alright. This thing was a mess. Next time it breaks down and you try to fix it yourself, don't even bother sending it to me. Okay. Alright, I still got to do the microphone jack. Switch the microphone jack to a 4-pin standard for you, but just wanted to show you that it is working. Okay. Alright, more to come. Okay, one more thing I need to show you. The radio will go down farther than this, okay, but the integrity of the VCO is not that great once you go down. If power gets interrupted to the VCO, it loses lock. Okay, like right now I can switch modes and I stay on channel. Set this over here. Okay, but if I drop down to say like 47 and switch mode, see there, it loses lock. And the only way to get that back is turn it off and turn it back on, and we get it back. Okay, well, that's not a good example there. Let's go down to 475. See, it loses its lock almost immediately when I switch to upper sideband. The only way to get it back is turn it off and turn it back on. But that's only below channel 46. 46 seems to be the bottom, and it's stable right there. Okay. Now on the top end, we don't have that problem. Change modes all you want to up here, and everything's fine. Okay. All right. Getting ready to change out that 5-pin realistic for a standard 4-pin. More to come. Okay, Byron, got the 4-pin standard mic jack in there. Got it all wired up to where the old realistic connector used to be. Add some filtering caps to the bottom of it and everything. Make sure you get clean audio. And let's see. Alright, there's your SL41. I was trying to figure out how to get into the damn thing. I forgot. Okay, let me get it out and I'll be back. Okay, I remembered. You have to flip this part up and open it and take it out at the bottom. Okay, so got her out. And no, folks, I don't have any more of these. Byron bought this one when I had them in stock, and he's been waiting on his radio to be repaired. So let me get into it. I'll make sure that it works properly with the radio. This new wiring we got going on here. Now receive comes in. Hello, audio. Audio, hello, look at that. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio testing. Hello, audio. It's working pretty good. Audio, hello, hello, audio. Audio 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. Audio, hello. Am I in sideband? Yeah. Audio, hello, hello, audio. Audio 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. Audio 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. Hello, audio. Audio 1, 2. We got about 246, about 26 watts peak. Got 100 watt slug on that side. Audio, hello audio. That's 246. Audio, hello audio. Audio 1, 2. 26 watts peak on sideband. Okay. Yeah, it works good with it, Byron. Let's see if we can hear any audio. My Ranger there. Audio, hello audio. Audio 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hang on a second. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio, hello audio. Audio 1, 2. Yep. All right, buddy. I am done. Your radio is working 100%. Went through and did the alignment, and I peaked it a little bit. So I'll be getting her ready to mail out. It and the microphone. Now, if I can figure out how to get that damn microphone back in that case, you'll get case and all. If not, you're just going to get the microphone. Okay. Byron, I appreciate your patience, buddy. 7-3, everybody. Okay, I got it back in the box. So it'll look brand new when you get it. Just remember, take that up, lift that up, and pull it out at the bottom. QSK. (102) on the weak mobile, calling CQ and standing by.
Sounds like dinner to me.
102 in the portable, calling CQ and standing by.
Crazy over here. Hey, 102 in the portable. I can hear you. Where are you located at? World Radio 648 Maryland.
Hey, World Radio 648 Maryland. I got a room full of you. I'm in Northeast Florida, talking on a bone stock mobile there, Roger. Yes, sir. Well, I appreciate you responding. Have a great day up there. 102 down here in Northeast Florida on the weak mobile. We're standing by.
Sounds okay here, 102. May you drive safe. Have yourself a good Memorial Day. 102, World Radio 648, Operator Todd, North Central Maryland.
Thank you, Todd. Have a good holiday.
Have you seen videos of the floods in Ellicott City? I haven't yet.
Okay, it's working. All right, Byron, I sure hope you enjoy it, buddy. 7-3, everybody.